Want to know an easy way to save money in your home? It's as simple as dimming your lights. Lights that are on a dimmer can save energy, but the amount of savings will depend on the type of lighting and the dimmer used. Dimming works by reducing the amount of electrical power sent to a light bulb, resulting in lower energy consumption. However, the actual energy saved varies with different lighting technologies. If you want to know exactly how much energy can be saved by dimming your lights, keep watching this video. When you dim incandescent or halogen bulbs, energy consumption decreases proportionately with the light output. For example, dimming a light to 50% brightness can cut energy use by about 40 to 50%. However, these bulbs are inherently inefficient to begin with, converting most of the energy that they use into heat rather than light. So, switching to more efficient lighting options like LED bulbs can provide a greater savings. Speaking of, LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, and CFLs, compact fluorescent lamps, are more energy efficient than incandescent bulbs, and they also save more energy when dimmed. But there are some important differences. LEDs are especially responsive to dimming as they consume less power when dimmed, making them ideal for energy-saving applications. Dimmable LEDs can reduce energy use by about 20 to 30% when dimmed to 50% brightness. However, not all LEDs are compatible with traditional dimmers, so it's important to do your research to find the right dimmer switch for your light bulbs. On the other hand, dimming a CFL can be trickier. While some dimmable CFLs do exist, they may not always perform well at low light levels and can flicker or fail to dim smoothly. Dimming lights in places like living rooms, dining areas, or restaurants where mood lighting is often preferred can significantly reduce your energy consumption, especially when using LEDs. For instance, if a household reduces lighting by 25% during the evening with dimmable LEDs, they could cut lighting energy costs by a similar margin. So overall, dimming lights can save money on your energy bill, especially when they're combined with efficient lighting technologies like LED bulbs. Using dimmers not only extends the lifespan of these bulbs by reducing wear, but it also allows for flexible, energy-conscious lighting in homes and businesses. To maximize your energy savings, however, it is best to pair dimmers with the most efficient lighting option. If you are looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching. Happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.